In fact, we published our 2025 Outlook piece recently where we talk about some price targets for Bitcoin and a few other major cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so with the BTC, our target is 210,000.
Excuse me? 210,000?
Yes, yes.
Whoa. Okay.
Well, it's not that crazy. I mean, it's about 100% increase from where we are, and Bitcoin has done crazier things in the past.
Yeah, that's true.
Solana is a $1,000 target price, and then for Ether, we predict in terms of a ETH to BTC ratio. So recovering back to 0.05 from current 0.03 ratio.
So then the key question is how? Why?
Well, there are a few things going on. So we arrive at our target price using what's called MV-RV ratio. MV stands for market value. RV stands for the realized value. Realized value is a value of a Bitcoin blockchain based on the most recent on-chain transaction price. So it's sort of similar to price-to-book multiples in equity.
Okay.
And then we calculate we estimate the realized value for Bitcoin for next year and apply 3.5 times the multiples based on historical range. Yeah. And then for Solana, our benchmark is Ethereum network's peak valuation during the last bull cycle 3 years ago, which was around $500 billion in market cap, and that's about $1,000 per Solana on a Solana basis. And then that's justified in our view because given the current level of institutional interest and then developer activity and also favorable supply outlook.
Yeah, let me comment on this.
Our sense is that Bitcoin and other crypto is also very much a liquidity beneficiary.
Yes.
So my sense there is that you've also got a fairly positive outlook in terms of liquidity overall.
That's correct. Yeah. So Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are hypersensitive to liquidity conditions, and generally speaking, despite the recent hawkish guidance from the Fed on early December. The general direction is still loosening. That's what's implied in the market. So liquidity condition we think will get better next year. But even if for whatever reasons Fed decides to reverse their decision, we have another kind of liquidity kick coming in from China.
Yes.
And then China is they account for a bigger, almost a twice larger portion of a global liquidity than the U.S. I think people often overlook that.
The percentage that they account for of global M2 money supply is just staggering. It's it's less than half, but I think it's about 40%.
That's
is that
correct.
Right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Man.
So we don't feel it because of the capital control in China, and most of the liquidity usually gets trapped within the border of China. But Bitcoin is a global asset.
And in China, there's P2P, right?
That's right.